Closely related to beautification of the environment is urban renewal and road construction. Taking urban renewal first, otherwise known as O Renewal, the project seeks to change the face of emerging cities in the state of Osun. A recent visit to the train station, Osogbo, where a renewal project is going on, is pointed to what is to be expected.
I'm impressed, and I have communicated that to those who are involved. I commended them, but I am looking forward to a completion very, very soon. So it's impressive. The state will be happy for it. The people of Osogbo will be happy for it, and our region will be happy. I'm impressed that we are living to our promises to upgrade, to beautify, to edify our people, our state, and our environment.
The renewal project will not be limited to Osogbo. When Governor Aregbesola visited Iwo train station, he promised to upgrade not only the Iwo station, but all train stations in the state.
It's my joy that we have started the gradual rehabilitation of the rail facilities. I'm taking this opportunity to reassure our people here that we will rehabilitate this station along with other stations on the rail route in our state.
O Renewal is a comprehensive project to make the emerging cities in the state more habitable for the residents. Massive road construction is going on in virtually all parts of the state. There is the Gbongan-Ila Road project that will terminate at the border of Kwara State. Even though this is a federal road, the state intends to make it a dual carriageway with flowers and street lights.
We have the construction of Osogbo, Ikiron to Ilaudu to interface with the boundary of Kwara State. This road hitherto has been a federal government road, single carriageway, and the state government is now opting out to make it a 4-lane dual carriageway. And the entire length of that road is about 50 kilometers down about. Will still be lit with street lights and landscaping on the other side of the road. As at now, the road is being wrestling with the level crossing of a trains, railway line. We are not expecting a dual carriageway to wrestle with the trains at those level crossings. We are going to build flyovers along the 2 crossing points we have along the road before you get out of Osun.
Another project begins from Gbongan through Orilewu and Mokore, which will link the road to Ijebu-Igbo in Ogun State, from where motorists can go to Lagos through Ikorodu, thereby bypassing the heavy traffic in Ibadan and Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, which has become a death trap.
Bagan Orilewu to link Mokore and the existing Ijebu-Igbo road. That one is being handled, and it has reached by now 50%. 15. It is just because the road that is from Gbongan, Orilewu to that point along the Ijebu that I mentioned. We have another three other axes given to the same company. That is Ijebu-Jesa, Ijeda, Iloko, Ijeda, Iwaraja, then Ijeda back to Ijebu-Jesa. So that, the roads within the cluster are going to be handled by the same company. And we have Ibajo Okeirun University. That makes the fourth road, which is packaged under the same contract.
Spot patching and rehabilitation of township roads began last year in virtually all parts of the state, and this has continued. In fact, the construction and rehabilitation project is so massive to the extent that people are saying that their government is doing too much because they have never seen any administration engage on projects as large as that. And that where will the funds be sourced from?
The contractors that we are using, they are working in partnership with us, not that they are taking direct contracts awards, as people will think. They are bringing in their money, they are bringing in their expertise to assist the state of Osun to achieve all these aims.